So the issue we have today is a Safari setting, which is giving us trouble in most everything. So you'll go to Settings and then find Safari. And then at the bottom of Safari, first turn Prevent Cross-Site Tracking off. And then a little farther down, Request Desktop Website. Turn that off as well. Another thing that's super helpful is for us to see what's going on with the device. So I'm going to show you how you add the screen recording function to the control center. So here I already have it on, so I'm going to delete it real quick. And then, so you go to Control Center, Screen Recording, tap that, and it'll go up into the upper section. Then when you pull down in the top right corner, that icon will be there. You tap that icon, it says 3, 2, 1. And then you can, open the screen of the iPad and show us what's going on with an app or something like that. Super helpful.